Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes, but what does that even mean? In this life we know, are our dreams just foolish cries? Will you return again, tomorrow's skies? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes, while I'm left with only what little I own. As your image fades into the endless skies, it's like we never knew each other's lives. Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes, but what does that even mean? In this life we know, are our dreams just foolish cries? Will you return again, tomorrow's skies? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes. As I sit and think, my heart exposed, do you hear the call I keep sending through? Just feelings left that never came true. I see the moon rise, same time, same place, but my heart's been running like it's stuck in a race. Questions in my chest, heavy like the tide. Why do things we love always slip or hide? I pray for peace, but I speak in doubt. Will tomorrow hear what I'm crying out? The night don't talk, but the silence screams. Is this all real or just broken dreams? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes, but what does that even mean? In this life we know, are our dreams just foolish cries? Will you return again, tomorrow's skies? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes. Is it whispering? Can you hear it low? Does it strike like pain that won't release? Or is it just a song with no real peace? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes, but what does that even mean? In this life we know, are our dreams just foolish cries? Will you return again, tomorrow's skies? Blessed is the moon, it comes and goes. I pray for a star to shine and show, bring me answers I've longed to hear. Is this a dream or is it clear?